ConvertKit has rebranded to Kit in the past few months, and in this quick video I want to show you how they are doing according to large language models. For the past 30 days I've asked all major LLMs this very simple question: what are the best email marketing tools that every marketer should use? I've used Trackerly.ai, which tracks all 4 major LLMs, so ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Anthropic's Claude, and Perplexity. And the best thing is that I didn't even have to do anything, because Trackerly.ai gets all these responses from these AIs for me and stores it in my user account. So let me show you what this looks like. So here's the question that I've asked. So as an AI, what do you consider to be the best email marketing tools every marketer should use? Well, let's have a look at the results. I started tracking this on the 4th of December. I've collected 62 responses, and these responses are from all major LLMs. So you can see it's a huge list of response data about all these email marketing tools. So here's a response from Perplexity from today, actually. Here's a response from Anthropic's Claude, also from today. And you can see that it mentions all these brands. And I want to see how well does ConvertKit or Kit, how well is that featured in these responses, because it matters, because more and more people are going to search through AIs and large language models and not through traditional search engines. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll all the way back up, and I just want to see, okay, how often is ConvertKit mentioned in these replies? So let me just spell this correctly. And what it does, Trackerly does automatically filter through all these responses and finds how often they are mentioned. And so you can see here, ConvertKit is mentioned 41 times, which is quite good considering there are 62 responses. So about 2/3 of the responses feature ConvertKit. Let's just compare this to some of their competitors. So, you know, you've got industry giant MailChimp, 55 mentions. You've got, let's check out HubSpot, which has 51 mentions. So what this does is automatically calculates a share of voice for each brand that you want to track, which is quite cool, right? Let's just track some of the smaller ones. So MailerLite, 23 mentions. And if I want to go down and see what this looks like, well, you see here on the 5th of December, MailChimp was the first answer from ChatGPT. ConvertKit was featured below, and then HubSpot and MailerLite. But the cool thing is that I want to see, how does this change over time? How well is each brand featured in these answers, and how does it change over time? It's quite interesting, because here you can see pretty big shifts in a brand's share of voice. But let's go back to ConvertKit versus Kit. Let me just check how well this new brand name is featured into these large language models. And now I've entered Kit here in Trackerly, and obviously it's gonna find the same amount of results for ConvertKit, because, you know, Kit is a part of the name ConvertKit. But what I want to do is I just want to enter a space in front of Kit, and then I see there are 0 mentions, which indicates to me that LLMs, large language models, are not yet aware of this rebrand. And so what I want to do is I want to keep tracking this. And as soon as some LLM is up to date, you know, that it's been trained on this new data, then Trackerly will allow me to spot that immediately. Are you curious about how your brand shows up in AI-driven searches? Well, check it out with Trackerly for yourself. There's a free trial. You can try it for 7 days for free. You can track any brand or any response type that you want, and you can just have a go at it yourself. All right, see you in the next one.